Is there a difference in quality between Jordan shoes made in Vietnam and China?
Hello, sneakerheads. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting topic that's been buzzing in the shoe community for a while: the quality comparison between Jordan shoes made in Vietnam and China.
What factors determine shoe quality?
Before we jump into the comparison, let's clarify what we mean by quality. In terms of shoes, quality can be defined by various factors like the material, construction, comfort, durability, and fit. These are the key aspects we'll be considering in our comparison.
Are there manufacturing differences?
One might assume that because the same brand's shoes are produced in different countries, they might have different quality standards. But here's the thing: Jordan brand, owned by Nike, maintains stringent quality control measures across its manufacturing facilities worldwide, including Vietnam and China. This means, theoretically, the country of manufacture shouldn't affect the quality of the shoe.
What about material and construction?
When it comes to material and construction, Jordan shoes, whether made in Vietnam or China, should theoretically have no discernible differences. The same materials are sourced and used across different production units, following the same design and construction guidelines.
So, is there any difference at all?
Most differences people perceive might be due to individual variances in production batches, not the country of manufacture. These minor discrepancies can occur even within the same factory, let alone in different countries. Hence, it's essential to remember that most perceived differences are anecdotal and not based on substantial evidence. In conclusion, there should be no significant quality difference between Jordan shoes made in Vietnam or China, as long as they're genuine products from the Jordan brand. Always buy from trusted retailers to ensure you're getting an authentic pair. Happy sneaker shopping, and remember, the love for the game transcends beyond borders.